Tired of sluggish PCs that can't keep up with your needs? Say hello to our fastest PC build for just $3,000. Experience the thrill of 4K gaming, seamlessly editing and render your projects in record time. Could this $3,000 PC be your next favorite PC? Let's find out in the video. Hello and welcome to our channel Unboxing, where we talk about PC parts, PC accessories, review and recommend best PC builds which suits every buyer. If you are interested in such content, hit that subscribe button and enable notifications so that you don't miss our videos whenever they are live. Let's calculate how much we can spend on each component to get most bang for buck configuration. For that, we have to do maths. But you might say maths is boring and it makes you fire machine gun at it every time you look at it. But wait, we got a perfect solution for it, and it's completely free. To calculate, let's go to our website unboxng.com and look for PAC, PC Parts Affordability Calculator. Select your budget category and enter your budget, and voila! You got your budget plan just like that. How simple and easy was that? Plus, it's completely free. No hidden charges. Now you don't have to do a complex maths calculation and constantly bang your head at the wall. Just head on to our website and let our PAC do the work for you. All right, with our budget being planned for us, let us look at what we can afford for our build. First up, let's see our CPU of choice. For CPU, we are going with i9-13900K, the most powerful CPU you can get in this budget. This CPU has 8 P cores and 16 E cores, making total of 24 cores and 32 threads. Max turbo boost of this CPU is 5.8 GHz, with total L2 cache of 32 MB. This CPU can handle any modern-day games and video projects with no problem. This processor is beast in every modern tasks you threw at it. Next, to cool our beast CPU, we need beastly cooler. For that we are choosing Leon Lee Galahad 2 Trinity Performance 360 AIO. Yes, this is the same cooler that was used in our previous build. If you have not watched it, then do check it out. I will put the link in I button and in description. But for now, please watch this amazing video. Back to the cooler. This is a solid CPU cooler with excellent cooling potential. Thanks to its high-density aluminum radiator with thickness of 32 mm, it can dissipate heat effortlessly. Also, it comes with high-performance LCP fans, which can be daisy-chainable. You can also customize your pump as per your liking, with included caps and housings. The best feature of this cooler is rotatable tubing connectors. This means now you do not need to worry about the weird bending of tubes in your PC. But wait, if you want RGB, then you can also check out RGB version of this CPU cooler. This is a standard version of this cooler, so you will not get thick radiator and fan. Rest all will be almost same. Some other coolers to look out for are Arctic Liquid Freezer 2, Be Quiet Pure Loop 2, and Deep Cool LT 720. These are pretty amazing CPU coolers for a reasonable price. Now, let's move towards the motherboard. For motherboard, we have Gigabyte Z790, Aorus Elite AX motherboard. With best thermal design for VRM heatsink, Gigabyte have absolutely nailed it to keep VRM nice and cool. It supports DDR5 RAM and comes with 4 Gen 4 M2 SSD slots. This motherboard is jam-packed with USB ports and is Wi-Fi 6E enabled. It also has USB-C port at the rear with max speed of 20 GB per second. This motherboard has all the bells and whistles that comes with most modern mid-range motherboards. Let's look at our RAM. As we are building a performance PC build, we will require maximum amount of memory capacity because we do not want our PC to bottleneck in any task. For that, we are going with Team Group T-Force Delta RGB DDR 5 RAM 64 GB. That is 2 sticks of 32 GB 6000 MHz CL38 RAM kit. With 64 GB RAM capacity, you will be able to multitask from left and right with no hiccups. It is a XMP 3.0 ready kit. Supporting most of RGB softwares in the market, this kit looks stunning when installed in PC. And most highlighting reason for going with this kit is its lifetime warranty. So you are covered in case of damage to your RAM sticks. You can also check out these kits from other brands like Corsair and G-Skill. These are also some amazing choices if you don't want to go with Team Group. Up next is storage. Before that, a kind request. If you like this video and if it helps you with your build or help you in any way, then please let us know by giving this video a thumbs up. A sub to the channel would be awesome. Join us in our YouTube journey, and together we can bring better and better configs to all the beginners and pros looking to build their next PC. Check out our website, unboxng.com, and don't forget to use our pack. We have created this tool to end the most problematic first part in every PC build journey, so use it. It's completely free and made just for you. By the way, links to all the parts used in this PC are in description. You do not have to go anywhere else to look up for anything. These are affiliate links, so we will get a tiny commission for each eligible purchase you make. It does not cost you any extra penny. So for latest price of the parts, check out the links from the description and use the links if you like to support us. Coming back to storage. For storage, we are going with Lexar Professional NM800 Pro SSD with 2 TB capacity. This is an excellent Gen 4 SSD drive suitable for content creators and gamers. Its claimed speed is 7,500 MB per second for sequential read and 6,500 MB per second for sequential write. This SSD is TLC, so it has DRAM, and has TBW of 2000 for 2 TB SSD. This is a proper SSD for professional video editors and content creators. Good alternatives for this would be WD Black SN850X, Samsung 990 Pro. Now, to power these components, we are going with Thermaltake Tough Power GFA3. This PSU is 1050 watts. This can power our components with no problem. This is a Gen 5 ready PSU, so it has the necessary 16-pin connector for latest RTX cards. And it can deliver full 600 watts power natively. This PSU is using high-quality Japanese capacitors to provide max efficiency. With multiple protections, your PC is safe and sound. And last but not least, this is modular and has low-profile flat cables, giving your PC a classy look without spending on sleeved cables. Of course, you can add sleeved cables if you want your PC to look even more appealing. Coming up next is PC case. To put all our components in one place, we are going with NZXTH7 flow case. This is a mid-tower case with high airflow design with NZXT minimalist style. This case is compatible with most components in the market and supports front and top 360 mm radiator. It includes 2 F-series, quiet 120 mm fans. For front I/O, it has 2 USB 3.2 Type A ports and 1 USB 3.2 Type C port. Also, it can accommodate all of latest chunky GPUs with maximum GPU length of up to 400 mm. Speaking of GPU, now the part everyone been waiting for. Let's add some graphical power in our PC. For that, we are going with Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4080 Gaming OC. This GPU 16 GB RAM, so you are covered to play almost all AAA titles at 4K buttery smooth FPS and with ray tracing. And for video editors, this GPU is literally a dream come true, with enough horsepower to edit those heavy video projects. 16 GB DDR6X, 256-bit memory, it will provide you enough bandwidth for your rendering and video export. And not to forget, this GPU comes with Nvidia AI goodies like Nvidia Studio, Nvidia Encoder, Broadcast, and lots more. But wait, we have even better option for you. If you want better GPU performance, then you can swap our CPU for i7-13700K and swap GPU with RTX 4090. This swap is good choice for gamers since 8-core CPU is enough for modern games, and getting more GPU horsepower will definitely give you more FPS. With that, we have completed our PC build. This is the fastest PC that you can build for $3,000, leaving no performance on the table. This is the total cost of PC build. Thank you so much for sticking with us till the end of the video. Check out our website. We also provide service to beginners and pros looking for their next PC. Give us one of these if you liked our videos and subscribe for more awesome builds. Check out our other videos on our channel and I'll meet you in the next video.